car just ran the red light. He's obviously scared right now with what's going on. Literally just ran the red light right in front of us. And again, it's getting stronger now. It's actually rocking our truck back and forth. And I was literally just in Hurricane Laura two or 3 days ago. And this is the type of winds that we had right before the eye wall came in. So this is really, really intense winds, potentially up to 70 miles an hour now. And the Riverwind Casino is just right outside of my view right now. So I-35 is about, I don't know, maybe a quarter of a mile in front of me, and you can't see it at all. This is some really, really bad driving conditions right now, just south or on the south side of Norman near the Riverwind Casino.
It's certainly ripping here.
You really can't see it until you're in it because it's still raining so hard. So the water continues to get deep. You can see them going through the intersection there on our live feed. And the water actually gets deeper where these cars are going. There's a creek. I'm not for sure the creek name, but it's just to the north of Boyd Street. Some really serious flooding right now at 24th Avenue Southwest.